guys are getting invitations in the mail, it's most likely because you guys put your information into Factor Trust or the pre-screen opt-out. And when you guys put your information into the system, they're going to send you so many credit offers in the mail, whether or not they're going to give you a credit card or not. But a lot of these credit cards can pre-qualify you. And sometimes when you get that letter in the mail, it is a pre-qualification. And sometimes people think my credit score is too low to get this credit card. No, it's not. They want to give you these credit cards. They know you got a low credit score. That's because they have high fees on these credit cards. So don't be discouraged when you see that your credit score is low, because sometimes you can't get these credit cards, but please check the fees on these credit cards, because they're going to probably give it to you even if you have a very, very low credit score. Now, let me show you guys that Factor Trust, because a lot of people don't understand that, again, you can get these credit cards. So let's go ahead and put the Factor Trust in here so that you guys can see what I mean. So for you guys to do the shopping cart trick, you guys are going to have to opt in to Factor Trust or the opt-out pre-screen. Now, these offers that you're going to get in mail, they're not going to be like the best credit cards. You're not going to get an offer in the mail from like American Express. Sometimes you could get an offer in the mail from them, but I'm saying these are not most likely the credit card offers you're going to get in the mail. But if you put your information into Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen so that you can get the shopping cart trick to work, then most likely you're going to get a lot of credit card offers in the mail. And they only really sending you offers because you opted in for it. So you're asking them to send, asking firms to send offers of credit and insurance. That's what this is for. And we need to do this anyway so that you can get offers and you can get the shopping cart trick to work for you. So if you put your information in here, don't be alarmed when you get those offers, but a lot of times they're probably going to approve you for those credit cards. That's why they sent you the offer, because they really think that they can possibly approve you for those credit cards. So don't be surprised if you get those offers. And if you really want the credit card, just go for it, because you probably actually get it. You probably really do get that credit card. And that would be really cool if you can.